responsibility, as you said in October 2020, as you said in October 2021 about assuming responsibility for the war on drugs, do you take responsibility for the death of Carl Anthony Nunez, Mr. Chair?
Alam mo, yung policy mo, hindi mo nakuha yung policy ng presidente.
Nakuha ko po, policy
I
maker
was
din po
talking
ako.
about the policy. I take full responsibility. Yung sinabi ko na war on drugs.
You said,
Pero
sir,
kung
you can
magpasok-
hold me
magpasok ka
responsible
ng
for any death.
specific crime.
Yes, sir. You spoke
Hindi
about
pwede yan.
you spoke about
At
specific
saka,
crimes.
kung sabihin ko, I will take full responsibility, magdating tayo sa korte, hindi naman tatanggapin yan.
Well, Mr. Chair, and if the resource person could keep his volume and pitch to a
Mr.
normal
Chair, trying
level.
to pin me down on
Mr. Chair,